The ZANU-PF government has come under scrutiny for failing to disclose the cause of death of Luke Mushore, who was buried at the National Heroes Acre on Monday amid growing doubts about his Liberation War credentials. Sanapenda mashuka ruda pangwa ino kwa hii ziti mtukamiro nyika wa silent on Mushore's cause of death. Sanapenda mashuka budanyo kwa pangwa ino tulibo subscribe wala iko on the bell icon. Timna mnamu budanyo kwa mchizi Mushore 76, a former ZANU-PF chairman, former National and Central Province, and former Mzarabani South MP, died on June 13. His elevation to national hero status was swiftly announced, but unlike previous occasions, where the state provides detailed profiles of heroes including their war alliances, camp served, operations participated in, and leadership roles during the armed struggle, very little was reviewed about Mushore's role in the Liberation War. President Emmerson Mnangagwa, in a brief and generalized eulogy delivered in a mix of English and Shona, simply described Mushore as a reliable cadre who played a huge role in the liberation struggle and the land reform program. In course, let us therefore never forget that it is through the sacrifices and dedication of the late Comrade Mushore and many others that our motherland Zimbabwe is an independent country, said Mnangagwa. The late national hero vaiva bango rakasimba rataivimba naro mumusangano weZANU-PF vaisava zinyekenyeke, he added. There was, however, a conspicuous absence of detail regarding Mushore's wartime history, a striking departure from the usual tradition in which the party outlines an heroes, training, deployments, military rank, and contributions during the liberation struggle. Analysts have noted that in the previous hero announcements, ZANU-PF has meticulously detailed the heroes' wartime alliances, the front they operated under, and sometimes even the commanders they served with. In Mushore's case, no such detail was provided, raising questions about whether political patronage outweighed historical merit in his elevation. Adding to the mystery is the government's refusal to publicly disclose the cause of death, another break from tradition that has left observers questioning whether there is something being concealed. Thomas Kwarukuda Pangwa Inoi, pamusoro pekufa this Zimbabwe veteran ari kuonekwa Luke Mushore pasina kana madetails akapiwa. Tuze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi, pinda comment section menzo mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.